Hello, today I'm going to be demoing a simple Gua Sha routine for busy people. So this is a Gua Sha routine that's going to hit all the major points. It's going to be sculpting and lifting. It's going to work on the microcirculation and the lymphatics, but it's going to be something that you can do in about a minute and a half once you get to know the routine in the morning if you really just don't have time for one of the longer routines. So we're going to get started. The first thing we're going to do is apply our oil or our serum. We activate it into the palms of our hands. We press it onto the forehead, cheeks, sides of the mouth, big portion of the cheeks, under the chin, down the neck, and across the décolletage area. We're going to demo today with a heart Gua Sha crystal. And for the purpose of the demo, this is the heart, this is the smiley side, and this is the frowny side. Okay? So first we're going to start off at a 45-degree angle. We're going to angle the smiley side up towards the jaw, and we're going to press in as deep as feels good for you. We're using it as a massage tool at this point to release out any tension, so you can just press in to a depth that feels good for you. And you can go 3 to 6 times. Once we've come up, we come to the other side. Again, we angle the smiley side up, so we're not starting here and flipping up. We're coming up towards the jawline, nicely opening the neck 3 to 6 times. Whatever depth feels right for you to press in. Then we're going to take it underneath the jawline. So here's the bony bit. We're going to drop off it. We're going to do a scissoring motion. This can be done for about 10 seconds. We're activating the lymphatic pumps. Switch hands, come to the other side, scissoring along. Next, sculpting and lifting the chin. We're going to hold the tool in the right hand, angle the heart towards the left ear, and we're going to sit the jawbone into the heart. We're going to nice and swiftly scoop along the jawline up towards the ear. Again, it's a little bit of a steadier pressure than when we do the lymphatic technique. Switch hands, angle, and point out towards the ear. Now, this one's a lymphatic technique. We're going to take the smiley side and sit it into your smile line. We'll anchor with the fingers here so that we don't pull the skin. Lead with your elbow and glide the tool up towards your ear. It never leaves the skin at any time. It's slow and it's light. Nice gentle pressure. 3 to 6 times. I'm going to switch sides. Fingers anchor, goes into the smile line, and we come up. Slowly and lightly. Tool stays in contact all the time. Then we're going to come up to the eye bags. So here's the bony bit of my eye, here's the eye bag area, and we're just going to rock. I'm angling the pointy bit up towards the temples there. So a very gentle, soft rocking here, and you can keep this tool in the fridge as well. If you get puffy eyes and you want to use it first thing in the morning, it can feel great. Switch sides, gentle rocking. We're not pressing too hard, this is a really delicate area. We're going to move on to the forehead. So I'm holding it straight out from the forehead and I'm going up in the direction of the hairline. So I'm taking any tension and moving it away towards the hairline, breaking up any fascial trains that have got too tight that might cause wrinkles. And you can go across the whole forehead 3 times. And you notice with Gua Sha it can bring redness into the body, and that's the heat, the inflammation that's in the skin leaving the skin. So that's a really appropriate reaction for your body. And then from there we're going to turn it like this, heart shape up, anchor in the middle of the head, and we glide slowly out and up towards the temple. Just 3 times. Switch sides. And then we always finish with a drain. Come back to that same position, but as we glide across, we keep it in contact with the face, all the way down the neck till the collarbone. So coming up, gliding down the neck to the collarbone, 3 times. And then the other side. Again, it's slow. It's very, very gentle. We're breathing into our belly at the same time to activate all the lymphatic pumps. last one. And we're done. And then we just move the shoulders to move that lymph out towards the armpits. And you're ready. So that can be done twice a day. Just make sure you have lots of oil for Glide.